my old Denny again. Okay, are you ready for the finale of this lesson series video? Just let's wander on over at the easel. I'll meet you there, and we'll see how it finishes up, okay? I'll meet you there. And here we go, 3rd anniversary video. My goodness, what a time it's been. And again, I want to thank everybody, including YouTube. Okay, let's put a little bit of contrast in with our green heading in toward the valley. Okay, and this is just some of that same green, but we've added a little bit of sienna to it, just like that. See how that just starts to set stuff out the way we want it, like that. Okay, there we go. We get some more here, like that. Okay. Now, as far as our road goes, this is some black and a little bit of blue and a bunch of water, and we can just kind of make this road look like it's been used. Okay, now we just come right along the edge here, just like this, just like that, so that there's some definition of, well, this is where the road is and this is where it isn't. Okay, just like that. And we'll call this lesson series done. Hopefully you've seen that you can do this, I promise you. And be with me starting tomorrow, because we're going to have kind of a special fun project, okay? And I think that you're going to enjoy it. So be with me tomorrow, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. Okay, you can do that painting, no problem. Now tomorrow we're going to start on a new and fun little project, okay? I'll meet you tomorrow. Remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.